everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how we are going to be doing our report writing. Using the facts from yesterday, I'm going to show you how to put it all together to make a report about plants. You will need two things for writing this report. You will need the plant report template that's on our Teams page, and you will need all the facts that you sorted out yesterday because we're going to use them to put into our report. One of the main features that we have learned about in reports is subheadings, and I have already for this report put your subheadings in. So we've got plants that eat insects, flowers, and huge plants. So what we need to do is we need to put our facts into the correct categories for each part. So now I have split my facts into the three different categories. In the flower category, I have the fact broccoli is actually a flower and snapdragon flowers look like a dragon's head. In the huge plants category, I have the largest seed in the world is from a palm tree and is 30 centimetres long, and the largest flower in the world is 1.5 metres wide. And then in the plants that eat insects category, I have got there are around 600 plants in the world that eat insects, and Venus flytraps are plants that eat little insects and spiders. The first thing on our checklist for writing reports is a title. So I need to think of a title that is going to be all about my report. So let's think. I could have a report all about plants. I could have information about plants. I could have information about plants and flowers. So think of a title for your report that's saying about everything that's in your report. The next thing on our checklist is to write an introduction. Now we've been writing introductions for our letters, so we know that an introduction is something that tells the reader what they're going to be reading about. So for my report, I could say, I have been learning all about plants and I'm going to tell you some information about them. I could say, this report is all about different plants and flowers. I've been doing lots of research and I'm going to share the information with you. As you can see, my next box has subheading plants that eat insects. So I'm going to find my facts that are about insect eating plants, and I'm going to write those facts in this box. Our next subheading is flowers, so I'm going to find all my facts about flowers and I'm going to write them in this box. And my last heading is huge plants, so I'm going to take my facts about huge plants and I'm going to write them under that subheading. I have one last box that I need to do any writing in, and it says fun fact. So I'm going to write a fun fact about a plant. You can also write a fun fact by looking up some information either in books or on a computer. The the last thing that I'm going to do is in the box up here, I'm going to do a picture or a diagram. So I want to do a picture of what the huge seed looks like that's 30 centimetres long. So I'm going to do that now. Now I'm going to check that I have covered everything on my checklist in my report. So, we need a title, which I have. We need an introduction. We need the information written in sections, like we've done in the boxes. We need subheadings. They were already put in for you. We need facts, so we've got all our facts about each subheading. Then we need a picture or a diagram, which I have. So grab your facts, grab your template for writing your report. If you can't print out your template, don't worry, you can make one yourself or you could type it on the computer, that's absolutely fine. Sort those facts into the correct categories and then pop it into your report. You can of course colour in your picture if you'd like to and then send it back to me afterwards. Hopefully you've understood what we're going to be doing, but if you have any questions then let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible and I will see you very soon. Bye!